So Anushka, welcome to Times of India.
Thank you so much.
During the lockdown, जब 12 के results announced हुए, I think 12 के ना, you
Yes.
scored such a great percentage, and your fans and people who love you, they were so excited. And I remember we did a story that did so well on our
Yes.
website because people were actually praising you. So how do you
Thank
manage
you.
studies and
Thank
work?
you. Firstly, thank you so much. The Times of India has always, appreciated my work and my achievements. It just really means a lot to me. And secondly, these results when they came out, and I was nervous, of course. Results of 12, and I was like, "Kaisa hua? Let's see." Because in 2019, I have traveled so much. I've worked also. I did show, but after show also I did a lot of projects, and I was just not in Mumbai for a long time. So 1 month I got to study, but because of my teachers, support, principal, my friends, I scored 89.4%, and everybody's reaction, my parents, including my relatives, everybody were so happy and so motivated. Even my juniors, they were congratulating me, and they were like, we also got motivated to do better, no matter what, how busy you are, but studies. I have always thought that I will, always be connected to studies. I won't leave until it's like unmanageable. But fortunately, I've got people around me who have motivated me and supported me. So it's just working out really well for me.
And you also bought a new car.
Yeah. Thank you.
So how does it feel on top of the world?
It does. I mean, it of course does, because I'm 18 years old, and I'm a person who loves cars. Okay, I'm a person who just like newspaper. If I see something, I used to do that. I used to just cut out and just put it in my cupboard, and I used to always open in the morning and see one day, something like that. So when I bought my BMW on my own, I was feeling very grateful. I thank my parents because of the immense love and support and motivation that I get from them. Because without them, I couldn't have managed acting and studies or do anything in life. Secondly, I would thank my fans, because whatever I am or whatever I'll be, it's because of them. So I'm very happy. Top of the world, of course. New car and all. And I'm very happy. Genuinely, I'm very happy.
Anushka, you have a great fan following on social media. You have a lot of followers, but definitely it comes with a lot of responsibility also. Because you are just 18-year-old and you have so many people following you. So आप अपने तरफ से कितना ध्यान रखते हो और इसको कितना responsibility लेती हो, responsibility की तरह लेती हो, because you are one of the youngest influencers. So how do you treat that responsibility?
See, of course, social media is a thing which can be very positive, or if you can't handle it, it can get very negative. And as an influencer, I think it's a huge responsibility on me and people who are following me. I think whatever I do, they will see, they will observe, and they will probably do. So I've always kept in mind that whatever I do, whatever I say, and I would always keep in mind that I have 1 crore people who are looking at me. So I've always kept that thing in mind, and I just be myself. Firstly, that's if anybody asks me that how do you manage social media. Firstly, in my life, whatever I do, I just be myself. I don't I don't have different faces. I just believe in that, just me, myself. Secondly, all the kids who are following me, I have my fan following, fortunately, is from kids to older people. So it's a big responsibility. The age bar is like huge, and I'm very fortunate for that it's a blessing. So I just keep in mind that I'll be basic me, and I'll just follow positive things and spread love and positivity as much as possible.
Also, you're doing this show, and you are paired opposite a person. अभी के टाइम में there are your colleagues from the industry like जन्नत, अवनीत, और आप सबके बीच में bonding भी बहुत ज्यादा है. इन लोगों ने भी ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं जहाँ पे they have या फिर रीम शेख भी they are seen romancing an older person, How
Right.
comfortable are you with this thing? And aage jaake, if there are romantic scenes, will you be willing to do it? Because in
See,
Jhansi,
for me,
the character demanded
yeah,
that, so you did that.
yeah,
But going
right,
forward, if you are paired opposite a much older person, so are you comfortable
right.
romancing on screen?
See, for me, I think, I am a person who discusses every role, every story plot with my parents, and we always go through everything in detail before we take up any show. So that's the thing, we have gone through Apna Time Bhi Aayega story plot entirely, and my parents are just like, they have told me, unless you're comfortable doing stuff, you can do what जितना आपको लगता है कि ये सही है, and whichever we think, हमें जितना लगता है कि ये सही है, ये मेरे fans के लिए सही है, not only for me, because my parents, not only my relatives but my fans who are, everybody is watching. So I don't wanna disturb or do something which doesn't really please them in that way. So Jhansi of course demanded that, and this show, our concept is not entirely based on that. It is just a part, because a show it's a journey of a person. So as a person like you and me, we experience different kind of emotions, like there's sadness, there's happiness, there's achievements, proud moments, and there are people who care about you and people you care about. So I think it's just a person's journey, so that is naturally it's gonna come. So it's a very natural concept, so everything's gonna be there, so that's not entirely based on that. And of course, I'm very proud of my friends who are working, and they're all my age. We enjoy shooting, and we're actors.
But how do you guys manage
very
to
proud.
be so friendly, despite being from the same industry, and there are times when you are pitted against each other. How do you manage that friendship, that bond?
I think when we meet, especially like me and Jannat, we're very close. So whenever we meet, we don't talk about work. Nobody sits. ऐसा नहीं कि me, Siddharth, Jannat, we're talking about, okay, what's going on in your show? What is going on in your show? It's not like that. We are professional friends, of course, but we all are, after all, we are what, 17, 18-year-old kids. We are just bachas, and we have known each other. Some people I know since like 4 years, 5 years, somebody I know from 9 years, something like that. So when we meet, it's all about, friends, jo hota hai, masti. And professionally, when you're saying, of course, this, but healthy cheese hai, but it's a very healthy thing. People get what they deserve, and I just believe if you just, focus on your career, focus कि आप hard work करते हो, तो वैसे ही अपने आप. And I'm very proud of my friends. Siddharth is working so good, and all my friends, including Jannat, I'm so happy. जब भी हम मिलते हैं, we congratulate each other, of course, but then we are like full on masti.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anushka. All the best for the show, and hope it touches new heights on the TRP charts.
Thank you so much. I had a great time. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. Bye.